Hey sis, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I'm Sharron. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So today we're going to be doing a review on this bob wig that I have on right here right now. It is affordable, it is human, and it is very beginner friendly. Like for the girls who don't really like too much lace, you're not into the frontals, like you can't quite get with it. This is right up your alley. This is your vibe. So if you want to know all of the specs and deets, then let's just get into it. Okay, so this is the construction of the wig. It is a 1.5 by 4 lace part wig. It has 2 combs in the front. It has a comb in the back. It has adjustable straps as well as an elastic band already sewn into the wig. The elastic band is not adjustable. This is what the parting space looks like. It looks really good. This is before I did anything to it. Now I'm gonna add some foundation to the underside. Just because I don't really bleach my knots, as I said many times in many videos. I just don't feel it's absolutely necessary for how I wear my wigs, so a little foundation does the trick. So now we are going to pop her on. I just wanted to, like, you know, show you what it looks like. I had already co-washed it and everything, and this is how it looks in its natural state, which is still really pretty to me. Y'all know I live for a cute little messy vibe. So yeah, this is what it looks like. The hair is really good quality. It's really soft. And it feels and looks very luxurious. So now we're just going to take the hot comb and flatten her down just a little bit. Nothing too crazy, just like where the humps are. I wanted to kind of go in and flatten it down because, like I said, I did wear a wig like this for a little bit, and I was heading to work. So yeah, I am, like I said, flattening it down. Look at how nice the part looks though. But I wanted to show you too on the sides, like, because it's hair underneath the cap, like you don't have to worry about lace showing or anything like that, which is really good. So this is what we have now. Just because I'm a little extra, I'm gonna take some powder and then add some to the top. And I like to do like a combination of this really light almost white eyeshadow and then go over top with a little bit of powder just to blend it all out so it looks more like scalp, because our scalp is lighter than, you know, everything else. And I'm gonna take literally a dab of oil and then I'm going to rub that in and put a little bit on the hair. And that was really all. I wore the hair like this, I want to say for like 3 days, like I said. And this is what the part looks like up close. I didn't do any plucking or anything. So yeah, and this is what the back looks like, well, the sides and then the back. Very, very cute. This was after a couple of days, and as you can see, like the hair kind of like fell a little bit. So here I'm just going to go over and straighten it. Like I said, I could have did it way more detailed and in depth, but I didn't. So, you know, it still came out really, really cute though. Like, even though I didn't do it like piece by piece, literally. Okay, so this is what I've settled on. I love like just the casual look of throwing the hair like behind the ears. I appreciate the 13x4s and the 13x6s and stuff like that, all of the lace and the frontals, but like I don't necessarily need it. If you're not new here, you know that this is how I wear my wigs, a middle part or a side part, like good enough for me. I'll take on the 13x4 and the 13x6 obviously, just because, but like the kind of like part is more like my vibe. So this wig is very much so beginner friendly because it just has like the 4 inches of parting space going back and then the 1.5 going across. So all you really have to worry about is like this part if you're new to wigs or whatever, but you want like something that's gonna last, you want something human, like this is right up your alley. You only have to like deal with the part. The part already comes very like with a very natural density. I did no plucking. I did go in and do like a I tried to bleach the knots with like this body hair like bleach, like this, like I just was really curious about it and wanted to like test it out. To be honest, it didn't really do anything, but y'all know, like, I don't really bleach my knots. I don't really care for it. I don't really feel like it's absolutely positively necessary for how I wear my wigs, and I'm all about just like the simplicity of wearing a wig. I don't really have the desire to do the most to it. Like, I just don't really want to, and if I have to, then I don't want it. Like, you know what I'm saying? I was just really like playing around, and it didn't take at all. So I did go in and add some foundation to the underside of the parts, and then I added a little bit to like the top or whatever, just to like, you know, balance it out. This wig is extremely affordable, and it is such great quality hair. Like, girl, the hair is good quality. I love this wig. I think it's a great like everyday wig, like a great everyday wig. And I feel like any bob wig just takes like makes an outfit edgy. Like, if you have on an outfit, throw a bob on and watch how it just elevates the look. Like, a bob wig will elevate any look. So that's why I love me a good bob. And I feel like this particular bob, like, it is very much so everyday wearable. Like, I like the cut of it. I like the bump that it has going. Well, I put that bump in it, but like, I like the cut and how I'm able to give it like the bump that it has. Like, it's really, really cute. Unfortunately, this wig is not big head friendly though. Like, it's not big head friendly. If you got a bigger size head, skip out on this one, sis. It's not gonna fit your head. This is for like the smaller to regular size head. Regular, that sound, I don't like the way that sound, regular size head, but you know what I mean, like that type of circumference. Like, that's where we at, the 23-inch circumference. I like this wig too because you can also wear it like in its natural state, where it has like a little bit of curl to it, like a little bit of texture, and I think that looks really pretty as well. Or you could like put some wand curls in it and make it like the kind of like wand curl, but like with the blunt cut like type look. Like, it's a lot of different things that you could do with this bob wig. Like, it is a human wig, so you can do a lot with it, despite the fact that it only has like the set middle part. That's another thing too. Like, this has the 4 inches of parted space going, well, not parted space going back, but yeah, I guess like 4 inches going back and then 1.5 going across. So it is a set middle part, and you can't like shift it to make it a side part because it is a bob. So if you shift it, it'll be all off center and it'll just look a little weird. So yeah, this is a set middle part bob wig. Okay, so that's a wrap. If you're interested in the wig, I will leave the direct link down in the description box for you to check it out, and be sure to use the discount codes applicable to whatever it is that you may be ordering. So check out the description box. It has, you know, information. That's what it's for, right? It's informative. It's a description box, so be sure to check the description box. And you know, jewelry is from the Luxe collection as well, so drop down in there, check it out, don't forget. And yeah, give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Drop it in the comments and let me know what you thought of the wig. I would love to hear your opinion, and what you thought of the wig. If you're interested in purchasing, if you're going to pass, like, let me know what's tea. And if you are new here and this is your first time seeing my face and you made it all the way to the end of the video, I appreciate you first and foremost, but I would love it if you subscribed and if you came back. So please do me that solid, then leave. Don't leave. So I'm gonna go. Enjoy the rest of your week, your weekend, whatever it may be. Peace and blessings. Then leave.